Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Semrush account permanently. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Semrush account, which of course I have done right here. Next one is, how can you create an account on Semrush? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type semrush.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Semrush. Follow through the on-screen prompt right there to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, boom, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Semrush. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to delete Semrush account permanently. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is head over to the top corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include features, pricing, resources, company, app center, and extra tools. Go ahead and click on company, and it's going to bring down this extended menu that says about us, newsroom, all the way down to stats and facts. Now I'd like you to click on contacts. Here you go. From this page, scroll the way down and click on contact support. So you have this chat box displayed in here. Click on ask a question. And from this message tab, go ahead and say, I want to delete my account permanently. Punch the enter button of your keyboard and you're going to get a response. Semrush is typing. It says you can delete your account at any time by sending a request to our support team via this contact form. So go ahead and click on the contact form hyperlink and it's going to take you right into the form. In there, just let them know that you just want to get rid of Semrush. That's all. How can we help you? Please select the subject, click on the drop down menu there. And other. So in this issue description, this is where you're going to really tell them how, or tell them what you want, tell them you want to delete your account, and let them know why you want to delete your account. I'm just going to bring this down. So tell them you want to delete it and let them know why. You can include or attach screenshot by clicking on this add file or browse file. Ensure that it's up to 5 files. And you can add up to 5 files, not more than that. You can add less than that as well. So it has to be in this format: JPEG, JPG, PNG, or PDF. And click on submit. Now, once you click on submit, they're definitely going to get back to you. Go ahead and check your mail for you to get their response. So this is pretty much how you can delete Semrush accounts permanently. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.